Okay, good morning everyone. Agus here, and today we are going to talk about innovative teaching. So there are four main points that we are going to discuss in this video. The first one is the nature of innovation. The second one, the benefits of innovation. The third one is the kinds of innovation, and the last one, the example of innovative teaching. Okay, without any further ado, let's go to the main event. Okay, for the first event is the nature of innovation. In education, an innovation is a deviation from the standard practice that achieve greater learning outcomes. For students, then the standard practice given equal amounts of time and resources. Innovation does not always involve a mechanical, electronic, and digital devices. To identify an innovation in learning, we must define the standard practice as well as the new way and determine the new way is better. So, what is exactly innovation is? Innovation is valued as catalyst to growth. Other sectors have invested in the study of innovation. They have defined it, document, and attempt to spread it to obtain results that add value to desirable objectives. So that's about the nature of innovation. Now for the second point is the benefit of innovation. After we knew about the nature of the innovation, so what the benefit of innovation? Here I gather some points that can be the benefit of innovation. Innovation in learning solve problems and add value. So the benefit is, the benefit are they provide fresh solution or remove traditional barriers to articulated challenges in teaching and learning. In other words, it add value by building capacity for implementation. The second one is identify the previously undetected need or barrier. Then enhance the teaching and learning process. So we can say that this point add value by understanding the limitation factor in a new way and respond it accordingly. The third point is the introduce new possibilities. Introduce new possibilities is to enhance the teaching and learning process, which means it's add value by providing new, more efficient opportunities for obtaining better results. And the last one is allow education to adjust to new avenues through which students learn, which means that it's add value by capitalizing on and directing students' use of technology. So, in sum, innovation is equal to improvement, but not improvement by simply getting more proficient with the standard practice. Our promise is that the new practice produces observable, measurable, sustainable improvement through replacement of standard practice rather than more proficient implementation of it. So that's about the benefits of innovation. So after we knew the benefits of innovation, now we move to the kinds of innovation. So what are the kinds of innovation? The first one is crossover learning. Learning in informal setting, such as museum and after-school clubs, can link educational content with issues that matter to learners in their lives. And the second one is learning through argumentation. So students can advance their understanding of science and mathematics by arguing in ways similar to professional scientists and mathematicians. Argumentation helps students attend to contrasting ideas, which can deepen their learning. And the third one is incidental learning. Incidental learning is unplanned or unintentional learning. It may occur while carrying out an activity that is seemingly unrelated to what is learned. And then learning by doing. Engaging with authentic scientific tools and practices such as controlling remote laboratory experiments can build inquiry learnings, improve conceptual understanding. So and the last one is embodied learning. Embodied learning involves self-awareness of the body interacting with real or simulated world to support the learning process. And for the last point is the example of innovative teaching. And for this, I take an example from listening skills. Most of the teacher teach listening by top-down activities. But here, for the innovative teaching in listening, it's better we use the bottom-up listening activities. So, what is bottom-up listening activities? Bottom-up listening activities here, so how we do bottom-up listening activities? Bottom-up listening activities can help learners to understand enough linguistic elements of what they hear to then be able to use their top button skills to fill the gaps. So here the following procedure for developing bottom-up listening skills draws on Dictogloss and is designed to help learners recognize the division between words, an important bottom-up listening skills. The teacher reads out a number of sentences and asks the learners to write down how many words there will be in the written form. While the task might sound easy, for learners, the weak forms in normal connected speech can make it problematic. So it's very important for the teachers to say the sentences in very natural way, rather than dictating them word by word. So by reading those sentences in very natural way, the students will be able to aware that speech form is different from written form. So from here, learner can be asked to compare their answers in pairs before listening again to check whether it's correct or not. While listening a third time, they could write what they hear before reconstructing the complete sentences in pairs or groups. So that's all about this video. I hope you can learn something from me and see you on the next occasion. Agus Septiana, signing out.